Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Certified Auto in Connecticut. And here we have this throttle body that I just rebuilt. And it's being bench tested right now. So it's a S-Class throttle body, ASR model, 8925. So it's an ASR from S-Class. What can I say about this? The unit internally was actually pretty good. Wires completely destroyed. Exterior wires were really horrible. Oh my god, they were just, it's like a one solid short. Insulation was just insanely bad. Sometimes you get these units, and when I get them, insulation is kind of it's kind of there, you can see some. This one was just dust. So this is very bad, and there's a possibility of control module failure because of these shorts. So just a thought, because usually these kind of severe shorts damage the actual e-gas module, the control module, something like this. This is an e-gas from V12s, but S-Class also has one of those for throttle control and cruise control and idle control. Next, let me show you the operation real quick. So the temperature, this unit has been on the bench last night, and I just put it back on the bench once when I finished the connector. So as you can see, it hits over 100 degrees. So here's the cold unit. It's around 60s, mid 60s, and this one is low hundreds. So just to show you that the unit has been energized for quite a long time. Next, I'm going to show you. So basically the operation itself is very nice. The linkage is extremely fluid, very nice and light. No binding there. That's a good sign. The underside cleaned off extremely well. The upper portion, yes, there are some imprints in there. That is very difficult to remove because nothing really fits there to clean it. But overall, this is how unit ended up being. Just clean it up because this is like oxidation already. But what matters here is the actual plate. You don't want to have dirt and grime on it because the air supply will be restricted. Yes, you might see a little bit of marks there. That's basically it's sort of like etching, I would say. It's like because there was so much grime there in those areas, it's basically ate up a little bit of an aluminum. Not a deal breaker at all, though. That's fine. And here is the other side. Alright, so we have that covered. And let's just look at our readings, live readings from this particular unit, see what we get. So this is our idle, 0.47, 4.25. That is usually what I get on all of these units. And then we just basically open our throttle plate, just let's say halfway. We see our readings change, voltages change, micro switches also change their positions. Wide open throttle, I'll just wait for readings. 0.56, 4.38. It shouldn't be mirror image, so it doesn't have to be. They never are. It's normal. Now, on the S-Class, usually e-gas control modules, they will not let you open throttle all the way like I'm doing right now, because I'm using different control module with different firmware that allows me to actually do this. So S-Classes do not, just so you know. So when you open throttle fully on the S-Class, when ignition is on but engine is not running, it will only open halfway, which is normal, totally fine. It's not the fault of the throttle. It will open about this much, and then the rest of the linkage will do nothing. You will move it, but throttle plate will not follow. That's normal, okay? No, nothing to be alarmed, nothing to be worried about, or to be alarmed about this. When you drive the car wide open throttle will open all the way. It's just that there is a limit for starting the engine. Otherwise, you will over rev it on cold start. Not good. So again, once more, micro switches on off, open the throttle, micro switches go to off on, voltages follow, and basically that is it. The unit is ready to go, and what else I was going to talk about? That's about it. Basically, it's all ready to go. I might try to do like a 1500 sandpaper on this area, because this is highly polished area. I don't want to disturb the surfaces, so I don't want to really go deep into making any kind of scratches or grooves, because again, surface is polished and I don't want to disturb the polished surface. Okay, all right, so this is basically all, and all ready to go. This is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. Thank you for watching.